So we've got our camera here and our battery, and we want to get started with it. So we need to put the battery in the camera, right? To actually get this case off, we've got a button underneath the camera here, next to the magnetic charger connector. So if we press that button, the front of the camera should pop out. So press that. You can see it's just popped out that little bit, and we can then remove it from the shell. So that's the inside of the camera. Now we just need our battery to go in there. So that's the camera. You can see we've got these contacts on the bottom of the battery, which will line up with the contacts just here in the. So we want those contacts to line up. So that's going to have the battery going in just like that, and just push it in, and it should clip in. So it should sit fairly firmly there now. Now we've got the light come on, so you should see that happen. Battery goes in. Light just came on there, indicating it's got power. So once this light's flashing, the camera is now ready to connect to our base station. Once we're ready to put the camera back in the casing, that really is just reverse. Just slot that together and slide it in and give it a push until you hear that click to indicate that it has locked itself back in. That's it. That is our Arlo Pro 3 all assembled and ready for use once it's connected to our base station. To charge the Arlo Pro 3, we want to take out our charging cable. Now this is magnetic on this end for connecting it to the Arlo. Other end is a standard USB plug. Plug the USB end into our charging source. I'm just going to use a battery for the purposes of this. Plug that in. And then on the bottom of our Arlo Pro 3, we have our charger mounting point, and we'll simply line that up. So you can see there, we've got the 3 pins and the round magnet. So just line them up. That's it. We've now got our charging light on, and our camera is charging. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me.